Hi everyone, welcome back to Excel Carols. Before starting with the videos, let's have the developer tab enabled so that we can easily write macros or operate ActiveX controls. You will not see the developer tab if it is not enabled. It usually appears here. So to enable it, go to File, click on Options, select Customize Ribbon, check the developer box and press OK. Now you see we have the developer tab enabled, which provides us with a lot of options. There is an alternate way through which we can enable the developer tab. To see that, we will first deactivate the developer tab, and now you see it has disappeared. Right click on any part of the active ribbon, select customize the ribbon, again check the developer box, press OK. Now you can see we have the developer tab active again. That's it for now. Thank you everyone for your time.